So what is transitive verb? Action that have a direct object to receive the action. One who receive the action is called the transitive verb. Take an example. The man loves his children. The man is here subject. Children who receive the action, object. And love is the verb. The object which receive the action is called the transitive verb. Let us take more sentence examples. The doctor cured him. Actually, whenever you get the answer of what and whom, then that is the transitive verb. The doctor cured him. The doctor cured whom? The doctor cured him. She crossed the street. What did she cross? क्या क्रॉस किया उसने? Street. The object which receives the action or which receives the verb is called transitive verb. Rohan kicked the ball. Kicked is action. Rohan kicked the ball. Rohan kicked what? He kicked the ball. Okay, when the object is ready to take the action, then that is called the transitive verb. Now look at the what is intransitive verb. Action that does not have direct object to receive that action. Means when there is absence of object to receive the action, then that is called intransitive verb. Look at here. Snow fell yesterday. Snow is the doer. Snow is the subject. When it fell, where it fell? It does not know. So here the object is missing. Yesterday is an adverb. So when the object is missing, then it is called the intransitive verb. Let us take more example. We failed. Here we do not get the answer of what or whom. So here the sentence is intransitive. She is sleeping. At the back of the sentence, in the last of the sentence, the object is missing. She is sleeping. The sentence is complete. Okay, but here is not object. Object is not given here. That is why this sentence is intransitive. They work hard. Here the action is work. Work hard. So object is missing. That's why these are the intransitive verb. So let's revise.